Hello everyone, it's Lynnea. I have a really short, quick, and easy card to share with you today. I'm going to start off here with the Tilted Plaid stencil, and I am spraying the back of it with some pixie spray. You don't have to do this, you could use just regular masking tape, but I find that when you have a stencil with details such as lines that you don't want to shift when you're stenciling, a temporary adhesive like pixie spray works wonderfully. I have a stencil pal, or you could just use a palette knife, and I have silver glitter gel that I'm going to spread over the background of this. I love glitter gels that are silver and that are white because they provide awesome backgrounds that aren't going to steal the show necessarily. I'm going to be using the Stay Weird stamp set, and I really wanted that to be the focal point, but I wanted to have a fun background as well. So I'm going to set this aside only for about 20-30 minutes for it to dry. It dries very quickly. And I stamped out some stamps. I have the little rib cage and the moth. They're both from the Stay Weird stamp set. And I love this stamp set because it's completely weird, a little bit freaky, and it fits my personality. And I love insects, which is super weird to some people, but I love them. So I wanted to mix the two of these stamps together. So I'm just going to color them with some Copic markers. I'm using W0 and W2 for the actual bones of the rib cage. I ended up coming in with a little bit of W3 in the end so that I could darken up some of those shadows. It was looking a little bit too still plain white for me. And then I used Y15 and Y17 for the flowers here. And I used the same exact colors on the butterfly, or the moth, rather. I didn't show the coloring since they were the same exact markers, but I used the same thing, warm grays, and then those two colors of the yellow markers. I'm just going to dot the center of the flowers with a little bit of blue. Now it's time to assemble my card. My background is all dry, and I have a sentiment strip stamped out here. You're going to see in just a couple seconds. In the finished product, I changed my mind. I just wasn't loving the way that my card was coming together. I loved the images and I loved the background, and so I decided to switch out the sentiment. And all I did was just stamp Stay Weird in black on a white sentiment strip, trimmed it down so it was really small. I think that's what this card needed, was a small little sentiment instead of the large one. And I'm going to pop that up with foam tape and put that right onto the center left-ish of the card. And this quick and easy card is complete. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye. Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.